Hello boys and girls, let's do some math. So today we're going to start off with these cards. Now I have a few cards up here that I'm going to show you, like this. What number do we have here? That's right, that is 10. Now I'm going to show you what happens when we add some 1s to 10. Right here is 1, 1, and 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Good. 10 plus 4 is 14. 10 plus 8 is 18. 10 plus 5 is 15. You see how this is working? 10 plus 2, we have 12. What is changing here when we add some 1s to 10? Just what's in the 1s, right? Whatever it is. Look, I have 6 1s. Now it replaces the 0 and it becomes 16. Now, why are we doing that, right? Why are we practicing that? What are you trying to show me? Mr. T, you've shown it to us 3 times. What are you trying to do? Well, I've enlisted the help of Super Monkey to explain a strategy he was talking to me about. Go ahead, Super Monkey. Well, I was thinking about this. We've been practicing how to add a number to 10 and how easy that was coming to all of us, or how much easier it made some questions. So I thought, what if we took an addition problem and made a 10 when we could? What if we tried that? I think that sounds like a great idea. Thank you very much, Super Monkey. We'll see you later. Alright, boys and girls, we are going to take addition problems and make a 10 and then create a new problem. What do you think about that? Yeah. So let's take this and let's see exactly what it is that I'm talking about. Okay. I'm going to make a 10 frame. Just like this. Now I'm going to put a problem over here. Let's do 4 plus 8. Okay? 4 plus 8, there's my 10 frame. And so first we have, I can put either number first, right? We can change the order of the add-in. So I'm going to put 8 in here. And I'll mark it with a small or lowercase r to show that these are the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are our 8. Now, when I'm adding here, I'm going to add 4 to this. I'm going to add 4 to this. So, watch what I do here. And these are going to be yellow. There's 1. There's 2. So I've added 2, but look at what I've done. I've made a 10. I've made a 10. So now I have 10. And I'm supposed to put 4, and I've put 2, so I need to put a couple more, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 10 plus 2. And think about back what we did with the orange cards. When we had 10 plus 2, what answer would we get? That's right, we'd get 12, because we just replace what's in the 1s with this number, right? So that means that 4 plus 8 is, you guessed it, 12. All we did right here is make a 10 out of the numbers that we were given to make it maybe just a little bit easier on us. Right? Let's try another one and see how we do. Alright, so this time we're going to have 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is going to be our problem. Let's write that. 9 plus 5. What is 9 plus 5 going to be? Let me fix up my 10 frame. Okay, so first we'll start with 9. I'm going to put 9 red in here. So I'm going to put 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now inside of each one of those circles we are going to put an R to show that they are red. We're going to label them red. Good. 9 plus 5. So now I'm going to put 5 yellow circles, right? So I'm going to put 5 circles that have a Y, they're labeled with a Y to show that they're yellow. So here's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what I did here, when I was doing that, I completed a tens frame. So that means I made a 10. So I can rearrange this number just a little bit. I'm going to make 10 plus, how many are outside? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. So that means that 9 plus 5 is 14. Because we made that 10. Alright? Let's have a look at another one. Now this is another strategy, right? This is another way to help us with some of these problems, especially as our problems start to get bigger. Because before we were adding numbers that didn't equal up to 10, but now we're getting bigger than 10, right? The answers are getting bigger than 10, and some of you might have had a little bit of trouble with that. It might have been a little bit more challenging than we were ready for. So what I want to do is give us another strategy to try to help. So this time let's take 7 plus 5. Why not, right? 7 plus 5. So let's fill up that tens frame. We have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to mark those with an R. We're going to label them with R because those are our red counters. Now we have 5 more to add to that. And I'm going to start with the tens frame. Fill that tens frame up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So we put our 5 in there. We're going to label these with Y for yellow. Now, take a look at the problem we've created. Using the same amount, we haven't changed the amount. We've just changed the spots of some of them to create a full tens frame. So this full tens frame right here is 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. That means that 7 plus 5 is also 12. So we're using this tens frame in this strategy. You're filling that tens frame up so that you can add something to 10. You're making a 10 first to add a number to 10 because that seems to be, for many people, a little bit easier, right? Anything we can do to make it just a little bit easier on you, we're going to try that, right? So I'm going to give you some time to practice on your own with this strategy using 10 frames that are created for you already. So in our Chapter 3 book on page 126, see 126, we have this, and it gives you the problem here. Here's 9 plus 5, here's 9 plus 5. You're going to rewrite it. So you'll make your 9 and label them R, then make 5 more and label them Y for yellow, and then you're going to write out what your new problem is. And then when you're done with this page, you're going to go all the way to here. Don't worry about this down here. Just go to 6. And then we're moving ahead a page. 128A. You do 1, 2, and 3. And then turn the page again. We have 128B. What is the addition problem this shows? Write it here. What addition problem does this one show? You're going to write it right here. What is the sum of 4 plus 6? Write the sum. So solve it any way you'd like. And this is, there are 2 big flowers and 4 small flowers. How many flowers are there? Write the number sentence and how many. So we've got a few pages to practice. Hopefully you have fun with this. Hopefully you find a new strategy to use for math. And I will see you very soon after you've conquered this. Bye-bye.